Hello guys, welcome back to today's vlog. So I just came back from the local market. I didn't take you guys along because Rona is here. So you guys have been to the market like thousands of times with me. So I went there to buy fruits because I'm starting a juice fast for 7 days. Wish me luck, wish me luck. So I also got some delivery. So I'll be doing some unboxing from Amazon and from Pretty Little Things. And then I got some things from the Flea market. I'm gonna unbox that with you as well. And then prep for the juicing. So I might make this video part 1, part 2 if it's too long, but enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share, okay, and comment down below your favorite part. All right guys, let's get into this video. So hello guys, I don't know which unboxing to do, so let me start with the Flea market. So I got rosemary from the African shop. Rona, you're shaking my camera. So I got dry rosemary from the African shop because I want to make some hair growth oil. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on this oil. Then the next thing I got, oh no, I got some bottles here. I got cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake. My son loves cheesecake a lot. Rona, stop, you can't wash your Auntie Rachel. So I got this mason jar. I'll be using it to make the hair growth oil. So these two together. Then I got vinegar. So this vinegar comes with the mother because I'm planning on doing the juice fast like I said. I'm already terrified about it. Then I got pure almond oil. I love almond oil a lot. I'm going to use that for the hair growth oil as well. You guys don't know, so this recipe is a bomb. I used it to grow my hair before. I'm going to use it to grow my hair again, so you don't want to miss that. I think I need to get some smaller bottles. So what else did I get? So I got this fabric from the Flea market as well. So this is just to make content, for example, background. If I'm making the growth oil to make the background look nice, so that's why I got this. And also for products photography, so that's why I got that. Jesus, Rona, stop it. Go wash your Auntie Rachel. Go wash your Auntie Rachel now. Auntie Rachel is waiting for you. Go wash Auntie Rachel. Go wash Auntie Rachel. So I got this desk calendar. I really like it. It's so cute. It has a positive thought for every month. You want to be in the video? You want to be in the video? See Auntie Rachel. Auntie Rachel is calling you over there. Auntie Rachel. Hello Auntie Rachel. Hello Rona. Pamita. So it has a positive thought calendar. For every month there's a positive thought just to lift your mood and make you smile. So for the month of January was say yes to new adventures. February, surround yourself with love. That's nice. They enjoy the little things. I don't know if I need an extra calendar, but I just got it. It's cute. It was 50p, so bargain. Then the next thing I got was this novel for 50p as well. It's really nice. The Institute. I don't know why I like horror novels these days, but it's gonna be nice. It's 50p. Then the next thing I got was this cute. I could not resist this. It was so adorable, so cute. Do I need it? No. It might be nice for products, Sha. Look at it. This bowl is beautiful. I love the shape. So nice. I love the shape. It's really nice. So I got this. I might use it for product. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but it's beautiful. And it was £2.50. Then I went to the next shop and I saw this. This was so cute as well. And it was 50p. You're like, let me just get this. It's so nice, right? 50p. I couldn't resist. I just could not resist. So I got 2 bowls, and they're glass bowls, so I have to be careful so that we don't break them. So let me wrap them back. Box of Amazon that came. Let's open it. It's in Yoruba. No, I told them Yoruba. They've made a mistake and brought me the wrong book. I need to write to them. I don't want Yoruba. It was Robo I saw in it. That's why I got it. Oh Lord. I have to return this, guys. Anyway, I have to return that. So the next thing was this. Let's see what's here. And I was so excited. Just imagine. I saw one guy reading it on TikTok. I decided to buy, and they got me the wrong one. Alright, no problem. I'm going to return it. So let's see. Oh, that's nice. I got this little bottles for juicing. This one is broken. It is still closed, so no problem. So I think I got about, how many bottles did I have here? 1, 2, 10 bottles. That's not bad. I need to wash them. I'm going to have a very busy day. I need to wash these bottles for juicing. So I'm going to make ginger shots with others ones. Yeah. And then the next one. This is nice. So I got those ones for the juicing. It's not big. I thought it would be bigger than this. It's not big, oh. But I don't mind it. It's nice. So I'm going to wash them and prep them for the juicing. It's not that huge. I thought it was going to be like big bottles, but it's okay. It's not bad. Can one be enough for one day? Let's see. Let's see how it goes. It's not bad, guys. Let's do this. Alright, so the next unboxing is my pretty little things. I think it's cute. And very warm as well. I think it's nice. So this is the second pair. So it's 2-in-1 t-shirts, white and black. This is the second one. I really like it. How does it look, guys? It's really nice. I think so. Hey! So this is the state of my living room. Oh my god. Fashion content creators, they're trying. I can't. I just can't. I can't. So I decided to turn it into a TikTok video. So if you're not following my TikTok, please follow. So now I have to clean up this mess. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.